Good morning, first and third period. Hopefully you're reading my letter to you, so you know exactly what you need to do today. This wasn't exactly unexpected, but sorry. I don't know why I bother. It wasn't exactly unexpected, but I just needed to go to a doctor's appointment, so I'll see you guys on Monday. But in the meantime, you guys need to get started on Unit 5. It's my favorite unit, by the way. Oh yeah, since I'm at a doctor's appointment, a doctor joke. I just made this up. Really, I did. What quality does a doctor most need to have? Patience. Get it? Because it's patience and... I don't know why I bother. But actually, I think that's kind of a funny one. I like that one. Patience. Doctors need patience. Okay. Let's look at what we have to get done today. So you're going to open up 2 documents on Google Classroom. The first one is this guy. All right. It looks very familiar to the last one we did with rising campaign costs. And this one follows the same format, but there are different activities. So when you work your way through slides 2, slide 3, answer the questions, take your time. Then you get to the actual activities, and there's only 2 this time. One involves an Edpuzzle. It's much longer. It's almost 12 minutes long with lots of questions in it. Take your time. Make sure you get the questions right because that's for a grade. Then move to your tech book, and you need to find 5 founding ideas that are discussed in this portion of the tech book. You need to get their definitions, and you need to put the definitions down here. I use the words founding principle and founding ideas as the same. They're synonymous. All right, activity 1, I'm kind of going backwards here, but activity 1, when you're finished with the Edpuzzle, fill this out. And then activity 2. All right, when you're finished with those activities, go complete your note cards. And for today, that's note cards 1 through 8. So obviously use the information you learned today to finish your note cards. All right. When you're finished with those activities, make sure your writing is finished for the Unit 4 test, whether that's the DBQ or the single paragraph from my third period. If I have a crossword, work on the crossword only after you finish the other things. I'll have a CNN 10 quiz for the CNN 10 from today. And then you may play Win the White House if you finish all of the above. White House. All right, guys. Take care. Comb your hair. And see you on Monday.